Hi guys and welcome to another video. So today I'm reviewing my newly built 5-inch quad. So you can see here that we've got the Axisflying Argus stack with a 60 amp ESC and it's a F405. Next, just showing you the capacitor I had to wire underneath the flight controller into the front of the quad just because there was no room, and it's an absolutely massive capacitor. And then up front we've got the Caddx ant, budget camera, why not? Then we go to the side, we're going to have a quick look at the motors. So they're the DarwinFPV 2400 kV 2207 motors. They're actually pretty good for what they are really. They're a budget motor. I mean, they're not the best performing, but they're decent. I've got the Rushfpv cherry antenna, RHCP. Vannystyle props. Love these props. And we've got the Rushfpv Max Solar VTX, which does 2.5 watts of power. It's absolutely insane. The range is insane on it. So we've got the frequency button there and the power button there. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you want the specs in more detail, then feel free to contact me in the comment section down below or on Instagram at itsLukeFPV. And now for the flight recording. I won't talk over it too much and I'll just let you enjoy it. Cheers. And yeah, just to add real quick, I used the Insta360 GO3 to record this, and I don't know what settings I've put it on, but it's made the recording look a little bit weird. Don't mind it too much though. See ya.